Souris, c'est ça qui est. Et là, je trouve que c'est drôle.
Welcome to the world's most famous building. See it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those ribbons flying
Au
through the
début
air?
de la prise.
Nice catch, Lou! Get those plates out of the way.
Moi, je trouve ça bien.
Oh, hey, watch it! Come up here! Hey, fellas, watch the bricks! Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will ya? All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. We're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
Welcome to the 80th floor. You guys are gonna stay to the left, go around till you reach 86 next. Yes, to the left, go around till you reach 86 next. Yes. How do you know you want 86? When you're breathing fresh air, because 86 is your outdoor experience. Please enjoy the view.
Yeah.
Thank you. Welcome. What do you got next?
Yun yung the edge niya mo, your next day.
Oh, yeah.
We do it again tomorrow.
Look at the edge.
Where's our street?
Hudson River Skyline.
Yun just having rivers.
So, hindi ka na nakakaupo dito?
Beach mo na sa. Hindi ka natin po.
Kaya ata.
Kaya. Sigurado ka? Walang tinaas talaga yan for a reason eh. Try natin. May mga camera may. Huwag po. Papawin tayo. May indoor sa kami outdoor.
I've said 30 years ago, more than 30 years ago.
Yung tayo sa taas.
Diyan ka, picture mo ako sa mga siwang-siwang.
At tumigil ka yan.
Ay, titigil ako.
Hindi. Diretso ka lang, kukuha na kita.